I'm sorry, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Put a one in the chat if you can hear the sound of my voice. Put a one in the chat if you can hear the sound of my voice. I want to make sure here. Make sure. You can't hear. You can't hear. You can't hear. You should be able to hear. I don't know why you can't hear. Okay, thank you. Bougie babe, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Stand by, guys. I'm sorry. I was waiting for a text. Stand by. Stand by. What? August 14th. Okay. All right. So let me tell you guys what's happening. Now, let me tell you what's happening. There was only one Rule 22 filed in this case for this date. I didn't file a Rule 22 in for this case for this date. There was a feed that was supposed to be in the courtroom. I checked with the court and they said there was one Rule 22 file. They didn't tell me what the outlet was, but we now learn who the outlet was. That person, for whatever reason, decided to cut the feed off at the crucial part of Shirley Strawberry giving testimony in the courtroom. Who does that? A crucial part in this case, and she cuts the feed off. I can't understand that. That is the crucial part of this case when the wife or the ex-wife or the wife who thought that she was the wife came in to testify. No one knew this. Had I known that Shirley Strawberry would have been present today, I would have been in the courtroom. I would have figured a way to be there or had someone there. And I just understand why no one else filed the Rule 22. I think there was some kind of issue prior why some individuals didn't file their Rule 22, but I never had it on my schedule. I never had it on my schedule. And initially, I thought that that individual was recording illegally until I verified that that person did have a Rule 22 approved. So the issue I have is that there are many people that are covering this case. I say many. A lot of content creators are covering this case. And she knows that. As a service to the media community or to the community at large, it was probably one of the most foolish things she could do in covering the case. You cut the feed off. You get the credit. You might not get immediate gratification, but you would have got the credit for being the only person covering a case when a key witness is coming in the courtroom. That made no sense. Like that, let's be honest. And I agree with what Bougie said. That people out here working, if that is the assignment that you have placed yourself in, then you could have licensed your content for other people. Like, how do you do that? Like, you negotiate. This is the type of stuff that this just infuriates me. It agitates me because you go through the motions of filing a Rule 22 because you want to be considered as a professional member of the media, which obviously you're not. That we know that already. But then you cut the feed off when the key witness is on the stand giving testimony. Think about that for a second. I talk a lot about the money shot. I talk about the money shot. She had the opportunity to get the money shot. But I'll tell you why this was the money shot. What happens if Ernest Williams takes a plea deal? You don't get the benefit of the footage. She just turned it off. Guys, I'm sorry. I have to take this call. I do apologize. Stand by, please. Yes, hello. I'm sorry, guys. I had to take that call. So let me say this: when that stream was going on, that she had already ended the live, so it had nothing to do with me. She had already ended the live. That live had already completed. But I'm wondering, because she has a Rule 22, why would you just end the feed? In that crew, that's the moment that you get the shot. You zoom in, you get up close, you move it to a position where you can get the feed, and then you license it if anyone wants to use it. Because that's just how business is. I'm not going to, because if it was me and I was the pool, then it's a free for all. But if she didn't get the Rule 22 under the pool requirements, then she's going to try to control it. But at least shoot it, put your logo, whatever you need to do. Let the people get the sound at least. Oh, let's see here. The session is court is still going on right now. It's still going on right now. The session is still going. I just got a text. It's still happening right now. But I was never slated to be there today. So, and I don't listen. And for anyone that is upset because I'm not there, listen, I have a business and I have several responsibilities. I thought that if you had at least one camera person in there, then you're able to get the information in real time. And here's the other thing. Some judges don't like to be having cases streamed in real time. Some judges want to be able to control the feed. So, for example, if something that has to do with children is going to be said, they don't want it done in real time. And this was the case when I covered the cash out case. The judge Fox News got kicked out the courtroom because they streamed that case in real time, and the judge didn't want it. So I don't know if this is that case. I don't know that. I don't know what Strawberry was about to say, because it didn't. This is not that type of case, a SA type of case. So I don't know what she could have said other than, "Hey, I just found out that I wasn't married to him." Well, she found out a while back, but I don't think there was anything at this juncture in the case that should have been shielded from the public. It's crazy. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not gonna listen. I know this business better than many people. I've been doing it a long time. And while some things that I'm just a camera guy, no, I've authored over 10,000 articles. So I say that to say that I know this very well. I did several licensing deals in the last 7 days. So I know the business very well. I'm just not locked in on this case because I have another one that I was really trying to be there for. But I will in the next hearing, if it happens, because I don't think, ladies and gentlemen, that based on the little bit that I heard, that he's going to be interested in going to a trial, because she makes a good witness. You have a alleged bigamist that will be confronted by his wife in front of a jury. Think how that would play out. That would not play out well in front of a jury. And that was an interesting chess move played by Prosecutor Wooten, because now you know what the stakes are. You know, if there was any doubt that she would show up today, that doubt has been removed. She will show up. But it's interesting that the person that could have captured that moment in real time decided not to want to do it. That's never a move that I would do. Never. That's not a move I would do. If I have the permission to stream it in real time, that's what I'm going to do. No different than Court TV, TMZ, or any Law and Crime, or any other serious media outlet. We don't cut the feed off right in the middle of a high point in a hearing. We don't do that. That's just not what we do. So, but let me say something. Why? See, someone say, "Why are you?" First of all, let me tell you why. Let me tell you something. Let me get you out of here. Why are you here? It's my. I shot that picture. That's why. Shut up. I mean, listen. Is she going to sell it? I don't have an interest in buying it. But if someone wants to buy it, that's on them. But I don't have an interest in buying it. I would listen. Listen. I wouldn't buy a free cup of water from her. I wouldn't buy Jack from her. Listen. let me post this one. Let me see. She said, "Listen, Dennis, tell us why you man you because you wanted to steal." Yo, listen. I listen. I can laugh as well. No, but I'm just saying. Listen, for the other people that have been covering this, I'm just saying for them. I'm good. I'm good on it. I'm not mad. I'm just saying that there are people that have been covering it. They want to cover it. Um, it's a certain. Well, we don't have any type of camaraderie with her, so I get it. This is a time to pay back people. But I'll listen. I got her on the other side. Don't worry. Well, someone asked about transcripts. That has to be requested with the court reporter that's in the courtroom today. The transcripts are not automatically ready. You have to request those. And that would have to be a request made, and someone wanted to buy it. You have to go right to the court reporter in the courtroom. If you guys are interested, I can find out who the court reporter is right now, and if you want to purchase the transcripts, if that is the case, you can put just ask me now, and I can send a text over and see if we can get the transcripts. So if that is the case, then because it's not like the federal trial where transcripts were available. Um, this you have to like with state courts, you have to really be there and ask for the record that day because the court reporters change very rapidly in these particular courtrooms. I can send a text right now. As a matter of fact, if you guys stand by, um, I can send it. I can make a phone call right now. Stand by. Stand by, guys. I can at least do that because it doesn't appear that you're going to have much of anything for right now. Hold on. Hey, can you hear me? Please leave your message for. Oh, wrong one. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Let's see here. Please leave your message. I'm trying to get them. They're in the courtroom, so I'm trying to get them on the phone. I'm so sorry. Guys, I'm trying to get the court reporter. Stand by, stand by, stand by. All right, guys. I just sent the text. I'm waiting for them to text me back. Someone just asked, why is there no other content creator there to stream? Well, that's a good question. That's a real good question. It's a legitimate question. Um, I don't know how many people knew that there was a hearing today, but I'm sure that most of who are locking in and covering the trail in this trial, this case, they knew there was a hearing. Maybe they didn't have the manpower or resources, and maybe they were relying on. I don't know who they were relying on because unless you negotiate that or request it, or something had to happen more than just knowing that there's a date. You would have to have prepared for this day. Connie, it's not the evening, Connie. Yeah, definitely wisdom is there. But I don't know if they cleared that situation up with their Rule 22s. But the judge, in my opinion, is the fact that he gave her a Rule 22, knowing, listen, hey, uh, that's his call. Uh, that's his call. And from what I'm told, she stopped recording, so it's not like she's not even trying to record it. She's not even recording it. So not only she's not streaming it, she's not recording it. Just think about that. That's kind of bizarre. If you have the ability to record it and you're not recording it, that's pretty interesting. Oh, she has two cameras. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I don't know that. I don't know that. I'm not there, so okay. So she's recording still. Okay. So she's well, yeah. Well, she recording and she has it. What? Oh, so, oh, you're saying, oh, she's streaming in her membership. Okay, well, hey, listen, not, well, oh my goodness. Okay, all right. So, so there is a well, for those who want to get, I'm not, I'm cool on it. I'm cool on it. That's her. That's her. I'm cool on it. So we need to get someone to give an update from the courtroom for New Orleans. TMZ is not buying that. They're not buying it. I can tell you that now. Not happening. It's not happening. If this guy's even, it's not happening. It may get a blurb, but it's not. It's not happening. That no major news outlet wants this case. Absolutely, Nana. And why some of you want to listen? Why some of you want to hear your guy? Listen, I'm good. Don't worry about. I'm very good. Trust me, I'm very good. Hold on a second, guys. Watch. Let me take up out of here. Hold on a second here. I, Angie, I'm not in the court today. I'm not there. That shot is mine. That's from a prior hearing. I shot that. Yes, but I'm not there today. Right. Think about that. Well, see, the plan is this is I'm just speculating. The plan is to provide cover for Nesto. Just imagine this. Just imagine this. She's recording this in real time, or she's recording it, and she's visiting him. What is she going to say to this guy? Listen, I was there covering her, and she said some very damning things about you. Uh, can I still come back and see you? Nah, he gonna say, nah, you can't come back. Don't call me. Don't do nothing. Don't stay away from me, lady. But listen, Shirley showing up today is a game changer. No, court is not over. It's still going on right now. It's still going on right now. It's a game changer. Her being there is a game changer. Oh my God. I didn't know I had that appointment. Okay. Okay, well, it's there. It's there. I'm not telling you want to go over there and buy. I'm just saying it's there. Well, it's exclusive, and I'll say this: it's shot as an exclusive. I don't care who's shooting it. I can't get mad at that person. I mean, that is shot as an exclusive. So if you are putting your boots on the ground and you have the tools necessary to capture it, that's hey, I can't hate on that. I'm trying to get the court reporter now, Janae. I'm trying to find out who's the court reporter right now. I don't know if the judge turned down either one of them, Miss New Orleans lady. I don't know if that happened. I don't know if that even happened because they didn't say anything. Um, I do think that this is a game changer, and I don't know if this case will go the distance if there's a plea deal on the table, or they may give him a plea that he can't. He has to refuse. I mean, then he has all these cycles, so I don't think they, especially they've shown him with the wrist or her coming in and saying what she said today and saying that in front of a jury. Ah, this is over. This is game changer. No, the hearing's not over. The hearing is not over. It's still going on. Guys, you think I should go down and try to interview her? Do you think I should go down and try to interview her? You think I should go down and try to interview her? What you think? I think I'm gonna go down there. I think I'm gonna go down there. All right, guys, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head down here. I'm a distance, but this hearing is expected to go on for a couple of hours. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you on my next live. I'm out.